Understanding Selection Criteria, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often pops up in various contexts: selection criteria. This term might sound a bit formal, but it's actually used in everyday situations, from job applications to college admissions. Our goal is to demystify this term, making it easy and clear for English language learners. Let's get started. Selection criteria is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that work together to create a specific meaning. Let's break it down. Selection refers to the act of choosing or picking something from a group or range of options. Criteria is the plural form of the word criterion, which means a standard or principle by which something is judged or decided. So, when we combine these two words, selection criteria refers to the standards or principles used to make a choice or decision among various options. You might come across this term in various scenarios, such as job applications. Employers list specific criteria they're looking for in candidates, like skills, experience, and qualifications. Academic settings. Universities may have certain criteria for admitting students, like grades, test scores, and extracurricular activities. Awards or competitions. Judges use a set of criteria to decide who wins or qualifies. Purchasing decisions. Even in everyday life, you use criteria to decide what to buy, like price, quality, or brand reputation. Understanding the context helps in comprehending how these criteria are applied and why they are important. To give you a better grasp, here are some examples of how selection criteria is used in sentences. 1. The selection criteria for the scholarship include academic excellence and community involvement. 2. Before applying for the job, make sure you meet all the selection criteria listed in the advertisement. 3. The judges will base their decision on a strict set of selection criteria. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, helping you understand its practical application. We hope this explanation clarifies what selection criteria means and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you navigate different situations more effectively. Keep practicing, and soon, terms like this will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey.